Today I'm going to show you how you can easily activate your Microsoft Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and all of that. So let's say you're having this notification on top of your Microsoft Office product. So you just come to your start menu and type Windows Power. Okay, mine is open. So run as administrator. It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your system? You say yes. So you could say IRM space HTTPS colon 2/get dot activated dot win space straight slash, where is it, space slash, yes, then IEX, then hit enter. Then you should wait for it to run the script, and once the script comes up you should have options. But once this option comes up you should type the number 2. Okay, so that's shown us the options. Then you hit number 2 and wait for it. Then you hit number 1. Then you wait for it to initialize. Okay, so wait. Yep, checking registry count. I'm using a Core i5, so maybe you have a Core i7, then your machine might work faster than mine. But this is all you just have to do. So it says activating Office. Okay, successful. 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 Okay. Successful. So here everything is successful, and then we're going to see that Office is permanently activated. Congrats. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.